Yeah.
Sorry, what do you need? Oh.
Sorry.
Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Vokera boiler. It's leaking. It's leaking water from the main heat exchanger. Normally, what an option is, main heat exchanger is leaking on a private job. You might as well just change the boiler. There's no point spending so much money on it. So, but these guys wanted to change the heat exchanger on it. So, fine, that's what they want, and that's what I'm going to provide. So, we're going to be changing a heat exchanger on this because this will be leaking, and I'll be sharing that with you in this video. It's a on-the-job video, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. And if you do enjoy it, hopefully like and subscribe. I think I am a professional. Right, we're gonna have some water, okay? No, we're not gonna have any water because I've already drained the system down. And this is a water heater, and all you gotta do is isolate it from underneath the boiler, the cold water in there, and open the tap, hot water tap, and it drains all the water out. It's simple to drain down. You got me on timer?
Sorry?
You got me on timer?
No.
What time do you need? We got plenty. Oh, dearie. So what we got is we've taken that out, yeah? No, it's yours. Yeah, from beneath. Okay, there. That's it. You're right, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah. बस जिंदगी ये जिंदगी में मोड़ है ये लगी है उन वॉशिंग yeah. That's sorted, that's sorted. Right. And that's basically it. This goes here, if I remember correctly. These two wires here.
switches. What are the switches called?
Which one?
The switches.
Over sets. And then just try to leave it, and then we're done.
One Vokera. Hmm?
Looks like it's leaking. Yeah, it's not. I've seen some.
Dry it properly with tissue.
Yeah, it's not leaking. Just me. I'm gonna wipe it now. It's dry. What the tissue marks? And that's it. Open it more. Right, the heat exchanger has been changed. It's not leaking. Tested it all out. Put all the wires back in, and it's time to test it now. Has it passed the Ammon test here?
Don't know yet. Doesn't look good.
Hang on, bro.
Yeah.
That's all. Can you see the steam coming through? Bang. That's it. We sorted. Do you love it? Salty ben jono stanley cross. Right.
Bracket. Oh, no, not screws at the top. Just the bottom bracket.
Is it?
Yeah.
And that's all, folks. Your vote.
When you press it, so the water come out. That's what it is.
And you can just that one. इतना बढ़िया हुक लग रही है उसमें।
हाँ?
इतना बढ़िया हुक लग रही है उसमें। Right guys, sorted the heat exchanger out on this water heater. It was a difficult job to do, but anyway, it's done and dusted. So we can find. Till next time, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy. Birmingham Boiler Fix.